Hello, Professor. I'm Harika Bolam, and I'm going to continue the homework 2 assignment uh, for part 3, that is software quality assurance tools. First, let's see what is software quality assurance. So, it is nothing but ensuring software product meets requirements and complies with organization standard quality specification. And why do we need a software quality assurance and software domain? So without a software quality assurance, there will be a high risk of possible bugs, glitches, or any other issues. So one malfunction in a software can lead to the major consequences for any company project. So to avoid this, software quality assurance is essential part for software development. And software quality assurance can be used in different aspects, like for reviews, for quality, for audits, for version control, for change control, and also process. And these are some of the activities that usually happens in software quality assurance. So that will be like setting the checkpoints, then meeting the change impact, having multiple testing strategies, and then maintain the reports and records, and maintain the good relation between the records and reports. And and there will be a software quality assurance management plan, and this whole process will repeats to make sure until the project is certified with the quality, um, with the top quality. And let's see some less of software quality assurance tools. So the first tool name is recure test. Recruiters tool offers a requirement management module that helps you to manage your business needs with better control, with a full traceability and insights. We can download Recruiters tools with the access with a free version. They will provide a free demo for, and also there will be an enterprise edition for a large organization. And this was a link for the Recruiters website, and it works only on web-based platforms. And also it is in a cloud-based application, so we don't really require uh, like a physical application for a many memory storage purpose. And coming to the some functions and features of Recruiters tool. So as I told, Recruiters offers a cloud-based solution. It gives the flexibility to manage testing and requirement process uh, as any time, and it provides a customizable requirements hierarchy with extensive business logic, and also with a prioritized facility, and it supports agile and other methods in requirements management, and it provides a full traceability as tests and bugs connect seamlessly with the requirements. And also it provides an integration like a Jira, which allows users to create test cases, group them in a test run, and assign them. And it also provide a facility of preview bug reports without any clicks. And coming to the details, it is mainly used by the 11,000 plus users in 33 plus countries, and it is easy to use, and it provides, we can easily customize based on our requirement, and it provides an integration for third party vendors. And the next tool I'm going to tell for software quality assurance tool is a Postman, which is mainly used for API test and API development. It is available in both open source and enterprises. Uh, it offers a two version, that is a browser version, or we can download it as an app, and it works in multiple platforms like Windows, Mac OS, Linux, and all. So the main functionality of Postman will be an API development. So it provides a mock endpoint for API, and it provides a visibility of an API documentation, and we can integrate Postman with Jenkins, TeamCity, or any other tools, and it provides a with it provides a facility of a snippet. That means that we can generate core snippets in a variety of languages and a framework, and the assertion for the responses received from API endpoint execution. And coming to the more details for the Postman, Postman is a user-friendly tool that helps us to optimize testing times, and it works best in an agile methodologies. It is in a collaboration tool which remains one of the top choices for the API validations. And continue to the next slide. The third tool we are going to discuss is the Quellio. Quellio is one of software assurance tool. It is a number one ranked electronic quality management system, that is EQMS. It unites your teams, tools, and data together. Qualio is an all-in-one cloud-based quality management system purpose-built for the life science industry, and it is available in a commercial version and a free demo, and there is an open source software as well. And it works for web-based platform, cloud, and SaaS. Coming to the features, and the main features include in document creation and review collaboration, employee training, and audit trials. Uh, and also the risk assessment. It provides a data input and export facility, and everything here is fully customizable, so we can create our own templates easily, and easy training manage and document management. And coming to the more details for Quellio. Qualio is recommended to small companies implementing a quality system for the first time. Even though it is a little bit pricey, this is more versatile, and Qualio addresses the challenges of mainly for the life science domains, as it provides flexible, easy to use, but also to help create, deploy, manage products in a complete, compliant, and safe manner. And it is very useful who want to work for ISO certifications, and it is the best for audit purposes, and it is extremely straightforward to use. That means it is uh, beginner friendly as well. And let's see in detail features of Postman tool. So Postman is a very first tool for in API testing. So all over the world, over 11 million users are using Postman. It is easy to adapt, and it is a beginner friendly. And the starting Postman API was created only for API testing, but after that, Postman started providing services for API development as well. Here we can see that the main few extra features of Postman. It provides a command line execution with a Newman tool, and quick and easy to test SOAP and REST APIs mainly. And it provides a continuous integration and content development, and it is easy learning curve, easy to set up and use, and easy for beginner friendly. So even and also Postman was launched a Chrome plugin in the initial stage. After that, it increased. I mean, it evolved its platforms to the Mac, Windows, and Linux as well. And these are some Postman every stage of API lifecycle in Postman. There are like first design and mock, debug, automated testing, document, monitor, and then publish. So once you download the API tool, this would be your homepage. We had to log in with our credentials. So other than that, we cannot use the Postman without login. Yes. Now, main purpose of the Postman is to check API testing. So I'm going to explain those feature more detail. Like all we have to enter the URL of the API or any website that you want to test it. So you're going to give the URL name here in the enter URL table. So you can give in any format, whether it will be an HTTPS or a HTTP. And suppose here I gave it google.com. So in the here we can see that the Google window was open here. And we can see options to visualize this page. And here we also see the time and size, uh, uh, how much time it taken to load the page and all that. And if you want, we can also provide key values, like instead of writing google.com, or if you want to give something value with a slash, you can pass those values in this key and value thing. And we can edit those things. We can edit description by clicking everything together. And if you see here, I'll pass some random glitch website over there. So and here I can see the status or whether it passed. There's a status of that API testing in a JSON format. Here we can see that the status okay was came in a JSON format, and also we can see the output of the our API testing in a many formats like JSON, XML, HTML, text, auto, anything. And for each request, there might be a different status. So this here the status was at 200K. So it means that the 200 series responses means that where the client accept the request and server process it successfully. And in the same time, if the response sees in 100 series, that means it's in the still in processing. If the error code, the status code will be in 300, that will be it is the URL is redirected permanently. If it is 400, that means it's a bad request that may contains an error. And if it is a 500 series, then it would be like internal server error. And like so if we want to test any website to make sure which it has all the security things, we can connect those, we can test those websites or APIs by changing this endpoint interaction methods like get, for to get, post, put, patch, delete, or pledge, lock, unlock with this. So get is used to obtain information, and post for addition information, put replaces information, and patch updates certain information, and delete for delete information. So these all fields will help us to achieve a best API testing. And for a big organization, or if there are multiple projects, we can provide that with API keys. So all we have to do is select a API key and provide a key and value over there, and we can connect with an Hawk authentication or AWS signature, and there are many other authorizations. And we can integrate our Postman with many other tools like AWS API Gateway, Bitbucket, GitHub, GitLab, Jenkins, Neuralink, and many others. And we can select our API network that we want our testing. It can be a private, public, or a partner. And we can deploy the API development directly from the Postman with the help of AWS API Gateway. And also API supports many other domains as well. Postman API, that is for artificial intelligence, communication, DevOps, data analytics, financial services, and many others. Here on the right side, we can see that already 1.2 million teams are using Postman, and there are 69.k workspaces were created, and 9.8 APIs were developed or tasked using the Postman. And coming to the some pros and cons about the Postman, it supports both explanatory and automated APIs, and it is a user friendly. It is mainly used for REST and SOAP APIs, and the best for them. And it supports multi platforms, and also it supports for the Swagger definition and a graphical request and schemas. It provides uh, coding support for multiple languages, and it provides an integration for Newman CLI and also like Jenkins, Bamboo, etc. It enables users to share and collaborate on that API collection with their other team members using Postman. And some of the cons were like some of the additional features and increase the limit require may an upgrade to the paid version. So the free plan comes with the limit number of features, and the interfaces may not be a user friendly, but it's a good tool. And it requires high power hardware and more resources to run properly. And to conclude software quality assurance, so it is an entire umbrella activity that covers whole project throughout the SDLC cycle of a product, and it covers all activities and projects that should be of high quality and minimum risk so that it can succeed in the market and meet the customer and client expectations. And these are some of the references I have used to gain knowledge on this project. Thank you, Professor.